These days, there's so much great information out there that it really becomes important to be able to, one, keep track of the cool stuff you find, and two, find more cool stuff. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about something I'm lucky to do with Bublup. My friend Mike Taylor, I've got his site pulled up here. If you don't know Mike, you don't follow Mike, get on his newsletter, follow him on Twitter, find him on LinkedIn. This man, I joke, he reads the entire internet every day. He actually just sticks to the e-learning, the slide presentation stuff, the cool new tools. If you want to know more about no code, Mike is a wonderful person to follow because he can share so much great information with you. Now, I'm lucky enough that I've known Mike for over a decade and we're close friends and talk on the phone all the time. And lately he has blessed me with something called Bublup. So this is something that Mike and I share, and as he finds cool things that he knows, like lately I've been into chatbots and we sometimes speak together, so he's put together little folders on chatbots and conferences, and then as we find different resources that we want to share with one another, we're actually able to use this Bublup tool to share them. Now, I wanted to share this with you because maybe you know that you should be curating and you're looking for a place to do it. Maybe you want to share with a group or with a team. Bublup seems to be a really cool thing. The reason that I really wanted to go and do it is that, look at this. It not only lets you store your things, but then it goes through and it does a lot of other different resources. So I'm going to show you how to do one here. So if I type in articulate rise, that's something that we do here. It will go through and it will actually find a bunch of different articles based on the other similar types of things that I do. And so we can go through here. So this isn't like a replacement for Google, but it is a nice way to curate and to store and to come in and to learn different things here. So I'm sharing this tip because Mike shares great tips with you, with me, with the whole world, and I wanted to join the fun. I am not a natural curator, so to me, a system like this that actually brings out other things for me is golden. So it's another great day. Bublup makes it even greater.